Hi everyone, Cale here from Social Beast Social Media. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all on the Masterclass Sessions on the 2nd of June. We're going to be talking about how social media should be fun for you and your business, not the hard work that we tend to make it out to be. So I'm going to be talking to you about my experiences with social media and networking, and we're going to talk about the top platforms: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Google My Business. I'm a little bit too old for TikTok. So guys, if you want a little bit more help with your social media and how it should be fun and the kind of things that your audience is going to be looking for to get them chatting to you, then join me on the Masterclass session on June the 2nd at 1 p.m. I hope to see you all there. Take care now.